At last, this seating area is complete. I spray painted the Adirondack chairs and the table. I then antiqued the table. Added this birdhouse. Power washed my neighbor's fence. My trellis plants are doing great. I added vegetables, seeds, and oh, there is a bird. Still want to add some colorful plants in that basket, but I am thrilled with how it turned out. And on the other side, this birdhouse that I will secure. But the plants are doing really well. So are my veggies. Now I can sit back and relax. Maybe get a citronella candle in here too.